Okay, guys, I basically want to introduce you to our little mini trowel, which is wonderful for embossing stencils. It's also great to trowel product onto small areas or if you've got narrow little areas, but I have found these to be super helpful. So I have grabbed one of my stencil designs and I took it outside and sprayed on our spray adhesive. Now this is a repositionable spray adhesive meant to be sprayed onto the back of a stencil to keep it in position, and it works great, especially when you're doing an embossing technique. Okay, so this is the back of it. I sprayed it. I'm letting it just kind of sit up and get tacky. It's best to let it sit up for a couple of minutes before you attach it to your product or project, because you don't want any of that residue to get transferred, okay? So that'll help keep all of these little loose areas in place while we trowel over it. And then because there is a narrow little border of Mylar on the sides, I'm just going to go ahead and tape there just to make sure that I don't trowel too far over the edge, okay? We're also going to be using our product called Texture Medium, which I feel is super easy to work with. It's great for embossing stencils. You can just trowel it onto a surface. I mean, there's just many, many different uses for it. Okay, so here is our container of Texture Medium. And I've already taken some out and just put it onto a foam plate so it's easier to grab. The stuff is creamy. It's lightweight, kind of looks like marshmallow cream. We had nicknamed it that at one point, okay? So I'm going to use my little mini trowel. I'm just going to grab a little bit of the product onto the side. Being right-handed, I want it on the right-hand side of my trowel because it's easiest for me to work with. And then I'm just going to trowel it over the openings. And I do like to make sure I'm kind of going with the design. So if there's something scrolling up, sometimes it's just best to make sure that you're not going against those areas. You're just using some light pressure, not really pushing super hard, and basically just backfilling all of those openings, okay? I try not to, trowel too many times over the openings. But if I see any trowel marks left behind, I just kind of guide lightly over those, okay, just to kind of soften them out. The smoother your surface that you're working on, definitely the easier it is and the less chance of anything bleeding underneath. If you have a little bit of texture that you're working on, a surface that's not as smooth, you want to just be a little bit careful that you don't end up pushing the product underneath. So that easy, okay? That little mini trowel is just a wonderful little gem. Okay, I'm going to remove my tape first. And that way, once you've embossed your design, you want to just go ahead and take the stencil and lift it straight up. Now, you can see how it's sticking to the surface, and that was because I used that spray adhesive to keep it in position. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this. I hope to see that you're doing some embossing on your furniture, your walls, or whatever your project happens to be. Grab yourself some beautiful stencils and make sure to get one of our little mini trowels to make your project super fast and easy.